Imagine yourself in this 2009 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: airbags, dual front, AM/FM stereo, passenger airbag, AM/FM stereo, CD player, satellite radio, and split bench seat. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.